Okay students, this is question number 3. So let me write the question. Each year the price of diamond necklace increases by 5% of the price the year before. The selling price of the necklace, the diamond necklace, right, writing it as DN, in the year 2000 is given to be as $36,000. They are asking us to write an expression for the selling price of the necklace n years later. Okay, selling price n years later. So this is one part, and they are asking us to find the selling price of the necklace for the year 2008. Okay, foremost we need to find the price of the diamond necklace for next year. So that is going to be the price of diamond necklace this year, plus there is a 5% increase. So 5% of the price of the diamond necklace this year. So this is the first equation you will have to form. Now let me solve this. This is going to be what? Price of diamond necklace next year, and that is going to be equal to, this is, let me take price of the diamond necklace this year to be as X. This is going to be 5%, so 0.05 of price of diamond necklace this year. And I take X out, I get 1 positive 0.05, which means X times of 1.05. So this is price of diamond necklace for next year. Now what is asked in the question? The question says find the price for the diamond necklace n years later. So what is required? Required is find, when I say price, it means selling price. Find the price of the diamond necklace n years later. So n years later means how the price is going to be. So the selling price is going to be n years later X times, that's the price for the given year, in other words the year that is being stated in the question, the data, times 1.05. n years means you have to place n. Now this is known, this is given, so this would be the equation. And let me be more precise. So Pn is equal to P0 times 1.05 raised to the power of n. And what is P0? P0 is nothing but the given price or the known price of the diamond necklace. This is the known price. P0 is the known price. Now Pn is the unknown, or in other words the price that you want to find. You want to find. So this is the solution for the question. Now what they are asking us, they are asking us to find the selling price of the diamond necklace in 2008. Now we are given, we know, what do we know? P0 is given. What is P0? P0 is for the year 2000. And what is that? That is 36,000. So let me write that here. Our P0 is 2000, year 2000, and that is given to be as $36,000. But we need, what do we need? We need 2008. So from P0 to P8, in other words, why do I say n is equal to 8 here? Because 2000 to 2008 is n is equal to 8. So n is equal to 8. So therefore our P8 is going to be 8. So that is the calculation. So if I were to use the calculator and find it, so P8 is equal to P0 36,000 times 1.05 raised to the power of 8. Now if you use your calculator, 1.5, or I would say 1.05 raised to the power of 8 is approximately 1.477. You can take this value 1.4774, and if you were to substitute this value, this is approximately equal to, so let me write that, P8 is equal to 36,000 multiplied with 1.4774, and that is approximately 53,238.38. So therefore the selling price of the diamond necklace for 2008 is approximately $53,238 and 38 cents. So that's the solution for this question. So we are asked to find the total revenue. We are required to get the total revenue for a 10-year period. So that means starting from P0 all the way we go to P9. So this is year 2000 and this is year 2009. Now we have found this. So from here we need to extract P0 and we need to extract P1, we need to extract P2 all the way up until P9. Now this is going to be my total revenue. Now P0 is going to be P0 times 1.05 raised to the power of 0. P1, n is equal to 1, so that's going to be P0 times 1.05 raised to the power of 1, and go, we need to proceed in this fashion. N is equal to 0, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, plus P0 1.05 raised to the power of 3. We go all the way to 1.05 raised to the power of 9. Now clearly you see P0, P0, P0 occurring all the way. So you take P0 out and what do you get? You get 1.05 raised to the power of 0 plus 1.05 raised to the power of 1 plus 1.05 raised to the power of 2, etc. up to 1.05 raised to the power of 9. Right. Now this is actually, you know, a geometric series. We can rewrite this in this fashion. Now we know this P0 value, so I'm going to rewrite this. So let me take this as the total sum, Sn, and in fact n is equal to 9, so let me place n is equal to 9 there. We know that for any n, Sn is equal to 8 times of r raised to the power of n negative 1 divided by r minus 1. Now this is the geometric ratio. R is the geometric ratio, A is the first term. Now what is the value of A here? If you see here, A is equal to 1. 1.05 raised to the power of 0 will give me A is equal to 1. And what is R here? My R is 1.05. So if you substitute that, so S9 is equal to my A value is 1. So 1 multiplied with 1.05 raised to the power of 9 negative 1 divided by 1.05 minus 1. Now I can rewrite the total revenue in this fashion. S is equal to P0 of 1.05 raised to the power of 0, positive 1.05 raised to the power of 1, positive 1.05 raised to the power of 2, plus etc. 1.05 raised to the power of 9. Now we know P0. P0 is 36,000. Fair enough. But we need to obtain this value. So consider this. Consider 1.05 raised to the power of 0, positive 1.05 raised to the power of 1, positive 1.05 raised to the power of 2, plus etc. 1.05 raised to the power of 9. Now what is this? This is similar to A positive A times R, positive A times R squared, plus etc. Right? This is the geometric series. Now what is the sum of the geometric series? Sn is given to be as A times of R raised to the power of n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. This is the formula given. Now clearly we know A is 1, R is 1.05. Now n is the number of terms. The total number of terms, actually we have 1.05 raised to the power of 0, positive 1.05 raised to the power of 1, positive 1.05 raised to the power of 2, plus etc. up until 1.05 raised to the power of 9. Now you need to find the number of terms in all, and clearly n will be equal to not 9 but n is equal to 10. Right? You have to count the terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, and all the way up to the last term. So that means n will be equal to 10 there. So taking n is equal to 10, we have to utilize this formula. So 1 time of 1.05 raised to the power of 10 minus 1 divided by 1.05 minus 1. Now what is this? You need to use your calculator and you will have to get that value, 1.05 raised to the power of 10. That would approximately give you a value of 1.6288. Now taking this and substituting it there, so 1.628 minus 1 divided by, this is going to be 0.5. Use your calculator, and this is approximately, now in the numerator you get 0.6288 divided by 0.5. This is what you get, and which is approximately equal to 12.577. But what is the total revenue? So therefore S being the total revenue, right, this total revenue is going to be 36,000 multiplied with 12.577, and when you do that, that is approximately 452,804.68. So you make the conclusion, therefore the company has made a total revenue of $452,804.68 for the 10-year period. Okay, so that is the end of this question, students.